За сайн мэцхан уу? Юу цаандаа ингээд австралид маш том тоглолтыг анхад үзэж байна. Өмнө нь ерөөсөө дэлхийн оддуудын тоглолтыг нэг ч үзэж байгаагүй. 11 сарын 3-ны өдөр Сэм Смитийн тоглолтыг үзлээ. Тэгээд маш гоё болны маань. Сэм Смитийг сонсдгоо гэж бодсон чинь баг бүх дуунуудыг нь мэдчихжээ. Ерөөсөө клипийг үзэж байгаагүй нэ дуунуудыг нь бол сонсч байсан байлээ. Тоглолтын хамгийн гоё гэсэн хэсгүүдээс ерөнхийдөө бичиж орууллаа. Тэгээд та бүхэн тэгээд Сэнтварэ бай.
This is true, I'm not good at a one-night stand, but I still need love, baby, I understand. Make some noise right now. I started coming here when I was 20 years old, and I found myself here in Sydney, honestly, I really did. So I'm going to try not to cry right now. I'm crying tonight. But honestly, my dad is here tonight. And it's the first time he's come to Australia. And just for him and me to see this is so incredible. So thank you so much. Thank you. It has been 5 years since we've been here with you. It's mad. Thank you so much for supporting me, supporting my friends, having us back here in Australia. It means everything to us. Thank you. Are you guys ready to have some fun with us tonight? Go on, go on. It's Friday night, Sydney.
Take this flower, it is my heart, each petal a sacred vow.
Baby, I ain't seen when you like to be all that shit and all that danger. I'm up in the battle, I wanna keep you up tonight. Baby, I ain't seen when you like to be all that fear and all that pressure. Do you like my dress, Sydney? It's so fucking heavy. It's so heavy and it's so fire's too strong. Can I lay by your side next to you? Isn't it how